Yeah, that's on Arwin.
Yeah, 2 free throws para kay James Mangajas.
Crucial moments here. First trip to the line of James.
6 of 12 ang Parañaque as a team. Mangajas takes care of business on the first free throw. One for 2. Kaduyak. Dadala ng bola dito para sa Basilan. Raymar. Gab. Kaduyak. Arwin. Jumper. Money para kay Arwin.
Well, one of the very few times that outside of Gab Dagangon, some other Basilan player scores from the perimeter.
A 3-point cushion para sa Basilan. Mangajas against Dagangon. Alan, a 3. No. And Arwin grabs the rebound. Kaduyak. It's back to Arwin. Kaduyak to Calo. Eman. Oh! Big shot galing kay Eman Calo. And that's the biggest lead of Basilan, 71-65.
Well, the very first time in a long while na magkasunod na basket from the outside na nakuha nitong Basilan.
Cuevas drives, natapik ni Eman Calo. Takbo ang Basilan. Calo for 3. It's a poor shot, really.
And immediately apologizes to the bench. Yeah, that lane downhill.
Yeah, it was a 2-on-1.
Yes.
Sorry naman si Eman. 47.9 seconds remaining. 71-65. Basilan in the lead. We'll be right back. Parañaque's next 3 games, not the easiest. Some of the top teams in the South Division. Quezon on June 25, July 10 against Gensan, July 16 against the Zamboanga Sikat Family's Brand Sardines.
Tough stretch. Those teams pretty much in the top.
And was A.G. Gonzalez and the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Coach Jay Shera and Boss Ronald Nulod. .9 seconds remaining. Ball will remain with Basilan. Can use up the clock. Dagangon, 8 seconds. Kaduyak. Arwin for 3. Good! 37 seconds remaining. It's a 9-point lead for Basilan. Paulo Castro will fire 3. It's an air ball. Arwin with the rebound, and it's off to Gab Dagangon for 2. 65-76 here. Alan Mangajas. An 11-point lead, and Alan will
dribble this out.
Yeah.
Well, what a gallant stand by Parañaque. Sayang lang.
Yeah, kinapos sila sa dulo eh, no? Ito weren't able to. It was a 62 all at one point. But then Basilan just having more than enough firepower down the stretch para makuha ang panalo na to. And Basilan wins over Parañaque 76-65. Let's go to Lyra.